One of the greatest scholars of Islam, Imam As-Suyuti, he actually, as a child, was playing around in the masjid. I'm going to say this now, and for this baby, inshallah, I'm going to do the same thing.
Yeah.
Exactly. Imam As-Suyuti, he used to go to the big mosque in Egypt with his mom. He was an orphan, and he used to play in a mosque, in this big mosque called Jami' ibn Tulun in Cairo. And one time, a great scholar, Ibn Hajar, he was teaching hadith, and that child was making noise. That was Imam As-Suyuti. Imam As-Suyuti, he was an orphan. So then Imam Ibn Hajar, he became like, who's that? Who's that kid, right? And they were like, Hada Ibn Suyuti, the orphan. He said, I see the light of the Prophet in this baby's face. So he said, I give him all my ijazat and hadith to him. So I give all my asanid to your baby. So I'm going to give you my email, you email me, between me and Bukhari, only 14 people. So I'm going to give that to this baby, right? That's how we want parents to feel, right? Our community is sometimes very unwelcoming to people, but we live in New York. I saw a kid get shot in front of the masjid a month ago in Harlem. Like, New York is hard. So we don't want to bring that hardness into the masjid. Dude, you trying to be hard in the masjid? Like, what kind of person are you? Like, yo, I'm hard. What? Yeah, today after Isha, boy, I was punking this uncle, dude. Like, hard, boy. Like, ooh, wow. Wow. Go to Queensbridge Projects and do that. Right? But you can come to the masjid and like be tough and hard. And so inshallah, I'll make sure my email is given and we'll give all those asanid to this beautiful, what's the baby's name? Khalas, Asadullah, Sayyidina Hamza, inshallah.